you're here watching this right now, my guess is you probably don't need me to tell you that cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the world. The way we transact and connect with each other, it's creating solutions for so many problems we have. But what will be the driving force for mass adoption? Third world countries needing a real currency? Speculation on price? I'm not sure. But my bet is on decentralized applications. Welcome to DApp City. Technology, just like life, is advancing so fast. Most of the world doesn't even yet know about the amazing advancements that are happening in the world of technology. And there will probably be a ton of people who go their entire lives not even ever learning about stuff like this. Technology is growing at an exponential rate. I can't even wrap my head around some of the things that have already been created, so trying to fathom what's coming next is beyond my level of understanding. But here on this channel, we dive in and take a closer look at some of these new ideas and new innovations, with applications that serve many different purposes. The code to the future is being written right now. Don't miss the show. So subscribe and join us on the journey to become early adopters of that killer DApp that you and I both know is coming.